Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are diving into one of the most important topics, environment. This is the first part. So let's get started. First question number 1. Which of the following factors are included in chemical environment? A. Temperature and soil. B. Water and soil. C. Vegetation and water. D. Human functions and biological components. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Only A and B, only B, only C and D, none of the above. I am giving you 5 seconds. Within that, you have to answer yourself. Then you can see the correct answer. Also, comment what is your score. So the correct answer will be option D, none of the above. The environment can be classified into 2 categories. One is physical environment, second is chemical environment. Physical environment includes temperature, light, precipitation, soil, vegetation, water, etc. And the chemical environment includes nutrients, pH, salinity, etc. Okay, so answer will be option D. Question number 2. Ecosystem is self-regulatory and self-sustained, structural and functional unit of nature, where biotic and abiotic components are linked together with the following processes. A. Productivity. B. Decomposition. C. Nutrient cycling. D. Energy flow. Only A and B, A, B, C, D and A, B, D. So which is the correct option? Maximum 5 seconds, not more than that. So the correct answer will be option C, all of the above. An ecosystem is a structural and functional unit of ecology where biotic and abiotic components are linked together with the process of productivity, energy flow, decomposition and nutrient cycle. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is true? A. Benthic refers to the floor of sea and benthos refer to plants and animals that live there. B. Benthos refer to the floor of the sea and the benthic refers to plants and animals that live there. C. Benthos refer to the floor of the sea and benthic refers to animals that live there. D. Benthos and benthic both refer to animals that live there. What is the correct answer? Also, don't forget to note down the MCQs. I know you guys are doing it. The correct answer will be option A. The term benthic is the lowest level of a body of water, such as ocean, lake, etc. It also includes the sediment surface and some subsurface layers. Question number 4. Environment refers to A. The nature world of land, water, air, plants and animals that exist around it. B. The sum total of conditions which surround human beings at a given point of time. C. The interacting system of physical, biological and cultural elements which are interlinked. D. All of the above. Very easy one. So the correct answer will be option D, all of the above. Question number 5. Environment is a composite state of A. Biotic factors, B. Physiographic factors, C. Abiotic factors, option D, all the above. So the correct answer will be option D, of course, all of the above. Question number 6. Which of the following is related to environmental degradation? A. Extraction in carrying capacity. B. Waste generated in absorptive capacity. C. Conservation of renewable and non-renewable resources. D. Opportunity cost of negative environment impact. Select the correct course? Read the question carefully. So the correct answer will be option B, 4 only. Environmental degradation is defined as any change or disturbance to the environment perceived to be deleterious or undesirable. So the correct answer will be option B. Question number 7. Environmental degradation means A. Overall degradation of environmental attributes. B. Adverse changes brought in by human activities. C. Ecological imbalance because of ecological diversity. Option D. All the above. What does mean environmental degradation? So the correct answer will be all the above. Question number 8. The non-native species successfully established in the introduced environment and causes the damage to the environment due to I. Better adaptation to the new environment. I. All the niches are utilized by the native species. 3. Absence of natural enemies in the introduced region. 4. Low biotic potential. Choose the correct option. A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 1 and 4, D 2 and 4. So the correct answer will be option B 1 and 3. Better adaptation to the new environment, absence of natural enemies in the introduced region. Question number 8. World Nature Conservation Day celebrated annually on dash. A 28th July, B 8th July, C 5th June, D 25th June. So the correct answer will be option A 28th July. Homeostasis means A tendency of an ecosystem to resist change and to remain in a state of equilibrium. B. A property of an ecosystem to withstand all kinds of environmental changes. C. A characteristic of an ecosystem to convert into changes of pollution. D. An ecosystem never respond to environmental change. So the correct answer will be option A tendency of ecosystem to resist change and to remain in a state of equilibrium. Question number 10. Which is the first industry using plasma technology for the disposal of hazardous waste for the conservation of the environment and natural resources? A. Madras Rubber Factory. B. Madras Fertilizer Limited. C. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. D. Steel Authority of India Limited. First industry using plasma technology. So the correct answer will be option D. Steel Authority of India is using plasma technology for the disposal of hazardous waste for the conservation of environment. Question number 11. Which of the following is a traditional method of conservation of tree cover across the communities in India? A. Ban Mahotsav. B. Sacred groves. C. Growing plantation. D. Adopted tree for home. So guys, before the correct answer, I want to tell you that you guys are not subscribing. So do subscribe if you are enjoying the video. So the correct answer will be option B, sacred groves. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is as reason. Assertion. Sustainable development is important for well-being of human society. Reason. Sustainable development is a kind of development that meets the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Option A, both A and R are correct. R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C, A is true, but R is false. D, A is false, but R is true. So the correct answer will be option A, obviously. Question number 13. Which of the following is the most appropriate and correct practice from the point of view of a healthy environment? A, burning of plastic waste to keep the environment clean. B, burning of dry and fallen leaves in a garden or field. C, treatment of domestic sewage before its release. C, option D, use of chemical fertilizers in agricultural fields. So the correct answer is, of course, option C, burning of plastic waste and burning of dry and fallen leaves, use of chemical fertilizer. These are add air, water, and soil pollution. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 14. A lake with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in dash. A, drying of the lake very soon due to algal bloom. B, an increased production of fish due to a lot of nutrients. C, death of fish due to lack of oxygen. D, increased population of aquatic food with wave organisms. Maximum 5 seconds, guys. Quick. So the correct answer is option C. A lake with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in the death of fish due to lack of oxygen. Question number 15. Which of the following noble gas is not present in the atmosphere? A, helium. B, argon. C, radon. Or D, neon. Very important one. So the correct answer is option C, radon. Question number 16. Which of the following adds carbon dioxide to the carbon cycle on the planet Earth? 1, volcanic action. 2, respiration. 3, photosynthesis. 4, decay of organic matter. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 3. Option B, 2. Option C, 1, 2 and 4 only. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option C, 1, 2 and 4 only. Okay. Question number 17. Which of the following does not add carbon dioxide to carbon cycle on the planet Earth? Option A, respiration. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, decay of organic matter. Option D, volcanic action. Very easy one. We already know the answer. So the correct answer is option B, photosynthesis. Question number 18. Which one of the following has been constituted under the Environment Protection Act 1986? Central Water Commission, Central Groundwater Board, Central Groundwater Authority, National Water Development Agency. Very important one. So the correct answer will be option C, Central Groundwater Authority. Question number 19. In which of the following year was passed the Environmental Protection Act? A, 1982, 1986, 1990, 1994. So the correct answer will be very easy. Option B, 1986. Question number 20. Before question number 20, guys, subscribe, like, share and comment. Before question number 20, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more and more MCQ videos. Question number 20. Under the Indian Forest Act, which of the following is the correct classification of forest? A. Grasslands, tropical forest, wetlands. B. Wildlife sanctuary, national park, biosphere reserves. C. Grassland, wildlife sanctuary, national parks. Or option D. Protected forest, reserve forest, village forest. The correct classification of forest under Indian Forest Act 1927. The correct answer will be option D. Protected forest, reserve forest, and village forest. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.